Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X squared minus y squared is equal to 20, where x and y are member of natural number. Solution. Then here we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 20. Then we are looking for the value of x and y. Take note of this, that if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then where a is equal to s and b equal to y. So this can be written as s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 20. The 20 is a product of 20 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20, 10 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10, 4 multiplied by 5, and then 5 multiplied by 4. Then from here we see that x plus y, this is greater than s minus y. Therefore 20 is greater than 1. This is true. 1 is less than 20. We reject this. 10 is greater than 2. We accept this. 2 is less than 10. We reject this. 4 is less than 5. We reject this. And then 5 is greater than 4. We accept this. So we have how many cases? First case, second case, and third case. First case, second case, and third case. First case, second case, and third case. That is, first case 20 multiplied by 1. Then second case, that is 10 multiplied by 2. And then third case, 5 multiplied by 4. Therefore, s plus y multiplied by s minus y, from here, the first case equation is, first case, we have s plus y is equal to, here is 20, then s minus y is equal to 1. Then second, s plus y equal to, this is 10, then s minus y is equal to, that is 2. And third case, s plus y is equal to 5, and s minus y equal to, here is 4. Then from the first case, let's solve from first case. You have s plus y equal to 20, and s minus y equal to 1. This is a simultaneous equation. Let's solve using elimination method by adding the two equations together. If you add it together, then s plus s, this is 2x, then plus y minus y will be 0, then is equal to 20 plus 1, this is 21. Now let's divide both sides by 2. divided by 2. This will cancel this. Then x is equal to 21 divided by 2. This is the value of x. And from here, as we can see, this is not a natural number. Therefore, the solution is rejected. Now, since s is not a natural number and is rejected, let's solve for y and see using any of these equation, either 1 or 2, but I'm going to make use of this. S from s plus y equal to 20 when s is 21 divided by 2. Then we have 21 divided by 2 plus y is equal to 20. Now, if you multiply all through by 2, we have 21 plus 2y is equal to 40. Now, 2y is equal to 40 minus 21. 2y is equal to 40 minus 21. This is 19. Then let's divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. This will cancel this. Therefore, y is equal to 19 divided by 2. And this is not a natural number. It's also rejected. Now, let's check the second case. From second case, we have x plus y equal to 10. Then x minus y is equal to 2. Now let's solve it simultaneously using elimination method by adding the two together. S plus s, this is 2x. This will cancel this. Is equal to 10 plus 2, that is 12 divided by 2 divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. S is equal to 6. Then let's solve for y. This is a natural number. So let's solve for y from s minus y equal to 2. Then minus y is equal to 2. When s is 6, we have minus 6. Minus y is equal to minus 4. Then y is equal to 4, which is also a natural number. Then let's consider the third case and see if it's going to be a natural number or not. From third case, we have x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 4. And we add the two equations together. This is 2x minus and plus we cancel is equal to 5 plus 4, that is 9. Then let's divide both sides by 2 divided by 2. This will cancel this. X is equal to 9 divided by 2. This is not a natural number and this is rejected. So let's solve for y since we've gotten the value of x using either equation 1 or 2. But let me make use of this one again. We have x plus y equal to 5. Then 9 divided by 2 plus y equal to 5. If you multiply all through by 2, we have 9 plus 2y equal to 10. 2y is equal to 10 minus 9. Then 2y equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2. So this is also not a natural number, and this is rejected also. So therefore, the only natural number we have is x comma y is equal to 6 comma 4, and this is the final answer. Let's check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Now to check, we have the given equation x squared minus y squared is equal to 20. S is 6 squared minus 4 squared, that is y, must be equal to 20. 6 squared, this is 36, minus 4 squared, that is 16, must be equal to 20. Then 36 minus 16, this is 20, is equal to 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.